Okay, so now I have just vacuumed these filters right here. You see? I'm using a vacuum cleaner to get them all dust free. So now we're just gonna place them inside here. And then we're gonna hit reset button right here. So now we have cleaned the filters for dust and it's good to go. And if you want to get better maintenance on your heat pump, you should get licensed electricians. I'm using a firm based back in Bergen, so they are calling me each 3 years or something like that to schedule service on the heat pump, and it's working magnificently.